Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 and today we will learn the rule of Tajdeed. What is Tajdeed in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is Tajdeed in the Holy Quran. What is Mushaddad letter in the Holy Quran? What is Mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran? And how do we pronounce the Mushaddad letter in the Holy Quran? What is Tajdeed in the Holy Quran? The W-shaped sign, this W-shaped sign is called Tajdeed. What is Mushaddad letter in the Holy Quran? A letter which has this W sign on it, that letter is called Mushaddad letter. A letter which has this W sign on it, that letter is called Mushaddad letter. What is Mutaharrik letter in the Holy Quran? Any letter which has Zabar, Zir or Pesh, that letter is called Mutaharrik letter. Any letter which has Zabar, Zay or Pesh, that letter is called Mutaharrik letter. Zabar and Pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas Zay is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How do we pronounce the Mushaddad letter in the Holy Quran? We pronounce the Mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. How do we pronounce the Mushaddad letter? Let's learn. This is the example of Mushaddad letter from the Holy Quran, and this letter has W sign. This letter will be pronounced twice. First with the Mutaharrik letter Hamza, then according to its own harkat. This letter Ha, Mushaddad letter, will be pronounced twice. Let's learn with spelling. Hamza, Ha, Zabar, Ah, Ha, Zabar, Ha, Aha. Hamza, Zir, Eh, Ha, Zabar, Ha, Iha. Hamza, Ha, Pesh, Ha, Zabar, Ha, Uha. Aha, Iha, Uha. Aha, Iha, Uha. This letter Ha is Mushaddad letter, will be pronounced twice. First with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it, then according to its own harkat Zabar. This letter is Mushaddad letter, will be pronounced twice. First with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then according to its own harkat Zabar. Aha, Iha, Uha. This is the example of Mushaddad letter. In coming lesson we will learn more example of Mushaddad letter. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.